Are you looking for the best Cat8 Ethernet cable for gaming? In modern gaming setups, the choice of Ethernet cable can influence latency, stability, and overall network reliability as you push high-speed connections, streaming, and cloud gaming. Cat8 cables promise up to 40 gigabits per second and 2000 megahertz, with enhanced shielding to reduce interference in busy environments. This review examines 5 popular Cat8 options across a price range from budget to premium, evaluating build quality.
Product number 1. Ugreen Cat8 Ethernet Cable. Overview. The Ugreen 6-foot Cat8 cable emphasizes braided durability, 40 gigabits throughput, 2000 megahertz bandwidth, and F/FTP shielding with a pure copper core and gold-plated RJ45 connectors. It's designed for indoor use with a compact 6-foot length, making it ideal for gaming rigs close to modems and routers. Pros emphasize the braided exterior, bend durability, and PoE support on most lengths. Cons include shorter length limiting routing options and PoE note excluding 65 feet in some cases. Performance-wise, the 40 gigabits capability aligns with Cat8 specifications, offering low latency potential in local networks with minimal crosstalk due to 4 shielded twisted pairs. The F/FTP shielding reduces EMI RFI, which is beneficial in apartments or home offices with dense cabling. The 6-foot length is practical for tight setups, but may require adapters or extensions for large desks. The code-friendly backward compatibility ensures it works with Cat7/6X cables, and PoE support, except at 65 feet, adds convenience for PoE cameras or devices.
Product number 2. D-Billion-Da Cat8 Ethernet Cable. Overview. D-Billion-Da offers a 6-foot Cat8 cable with 26 AWG conductors, heavy-duty build, outdoor-ready weatherproofing, and UV resistance. It ships with F/FTP shielding and gold-plated RJ45 connectors. The direct burial capability and 6-foot length make it versatile for both indoor and outdoor installations and for temporary outdoor setups near modems or routers. In practice, the thicker 26 AWG conductors can deliver slightly better signal integrity at short runs and under challenging environments, albeit at the cost of stiffer flexibility versus finer gauges. The cable's weatherproof jacket and UV resistance are strong advantages for outdoor installations, including garage setups or exterior network runs. Shielding F/FTP reduces crosstalk in multi-cable bundles, and the 2000 MHz bandwidth supports the 40 gigabits per second target, with typical gaming and streaming performance remaining robust in mixed indoor-outdoor networks.
Product number 3. SnowKids Cat8 Ethernet Cable. Overview. SnowKids 50-foot Cat8 offers a longer indoor option with a flat braided design, S/FTP shielding, and 40 gigabits bandwidth. The flat form factor is designed for easier routing under carpets and around corners, making it visually unobtrusive in a living room or office while delivering high-speed performance. With 50 feet, this cable targets users who need full room reach without compromising shielding. The S/FTP configuration, 24K gold-plated connectors, and wear-tested construction, over 15,000 bends, suggest strong durability for frequent rearrangements. While the length is beneficial for living room setups, potential downsides include reduced flexibility in tight spaces and slightly bulkier management compared to ultra-short cables. Nevertheless, the product is well suited for enthusiasts who want a single cable to span a larger area.
Product number 4. Dacrown Cat8 Ethernet Cable. Overview. Dacrown presents a 50-foot shielded Cat8 cable with SFTP shielding, 26 AWG conductors, and all-weather, in-wall, direct burial suitability. It's positioned as a robust option for data center-like performance across varied environments, including outdoor runs. In use, this cable's direct burial capability and weatherproof jacket provide exceptional versatility for setups that blur home and small office boundaries. The 2 GHz or 2000 MHz bandwidth and 40 gigabits per second rating align with high-speed LAN deployments and potential 25G to 40G base T use cases. The rugged structure with gold-plated connectors improves longevity in harsh environments. Users should consider installation complexity with longer runs and ensure proper termination to preserve shielding effectiveness.
Product number 5. Cat 8 Ethernet cable 20 feet flat. Overview. Voitalot offers a 20-foot flat braided Cat 8 with SSTP shielding and gold-plated connectors. It's a compact option with a lower price point than the premium models, designed for dense office or gaming setups where a shorter run is sufficient. In practice, the 20-foot length is well-suited for desktop enthusiasts with minimal cable clutter. The SSTP shielding and braided exterior improve durability and interference resistance in typical living spaces. Its flat design makes routing under carpets and around furniture straightforward. While not outdoor rated, it provides solid indoor performance with reliable speeds for gaming and streaming in most households.